I know you won't be able to hear me very well, but I'm on my way to a sustainability panel, and it's at UCL, and I'm thinking about a career in sustainability, you know, so it's such an important thing, and I just want to learn a bit more about it, so that's what I'm on my way to. Looks stupid.
Oh, I'm Ellie and I'm really pretentious and I like to feel like I'm in front of a museum all the time. Look at me, wow. Oh wow, look, I'm so individual, I'm so independent. Look, nobody else is just like me.
Currently 10:30 at night, and I just thought I'd do a little update, I guess, for my March vlog. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much has happened because of this virus. So basically I'm going home. I've lost my job, pretty much, at Cubic because of this situation. So I'm not getting income anyway, which, to be honest, is going to make living here kind of hard because I have to spend a lot of money to live here, and without a job that is going to be really, really difficult. So those two things have kind of combined. I just wish this wasn't happening. Like, it's really ruining my plans. Like, I have to go home. Like, I've set myself up at life here, and suddenly all of that's just been taken away. I've never had something political like really affect my life and my time before. Like, I never expected this to happen. Oh man, I just do not. I don't want to go. Perhaps this is really selfish and ungrateful for me. This is just like current feelings. This is not the way I feel about my life, you know. I'm a very positive person and I feel like there needs to be like 100 disclaimers here about this little rant. Like, I know it's not the worst thing in the world. I'm actually at home. Uni is cancelled, but you probably know that by now. Me and my mum are going on, not going to say a diet because I know that there is a lot of fear surrounding that, but that is essentially what's happening. We are planning on getting fit, getting healthier, perhaps losing a little bit of weight that we probably don't need. In these videos, I'm going to be talking about measurements, I'm going to be talking about numbers, so if that triggers you in any way, then perhaps don't watch these videos. We are going to be doing meal plans, we're going to be doing exercise plans, and we're going to be recording our weight week by week, seeing how it's changing. And I don't have a specific goal for this. I don't know if my mum does. Mummy!
Oh, for Christ's sake, what are you doing? You divvy bitch.
That wasn't quite where I was going with this. I meant to say, are you excited about our journey that we're about to undertake?
Oh, I am ecstatic.
Welcome to my room. I am home from university. Today, basically going through my room. We're decluttering, we are tidying, we are sorting out a plan. I want to really make this room my own, as this is going to be my room for the next several months by the looks of things. As much as that was not the plan and definitely not what I wanted, it is the situation, and I don't want to sort of fool myself into thinking that this is just a temporary thing, because it's not, is it? Let's be honest. And yes, I know I look horrific, but I'm at home. This is reality, everybody. I need to be more efficient with my space. I've worked out some ways to do that. I've realised how stupid I was being before. How did I not see it? So this is an honest look at every single bit of my room. I'm showing you it at its messiest point in the day for a reason. Like, I want to avoid some of the mess which is building up already. So this is just my bookshelf. Let's talk. So my books are all fine, but as you can see, they are not really organised. Travel shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I need to keep that for a festival. Not that I'm going to one this year, obviously, but next year that might be useful. But they belong in the bathroom, not in the bedroom. I've just come back, so this is not what it would usually look like. However, all of my categorising and separating stuff is in my room at school, so I really don't know how I'm going to do this. I guess I just need to give it time. I obviously am going to go back to uni at some point and collect all of my stuff, but not at this present moment. So this corner could make better use of space. I can actually make use of it. I want to make these like they are at school, so by colour, and I have a big plan for my wardrobe. So what I would like to do is I would like to move my bags on top of my wardrobe, because at the moment it's just teddies and sentimental stuff which can be organised. With that space, I want to put my trousers in colour coordination. I want
want to have like this bit is my key wardrobe like it is at school. I need my mum's dresses out. She's not going to like that, but I don't have space anymore, especially when I get all my real clothes back because they're all at school. I need a space for summer clothes, which this is not. I think pyjamas belong in here somewhere. That needs to be emptied, like I don't wear any of it. School stuff, I just don't think it belongs here anymore, like old uniforms. I think it needs to be put somewhere rather than in my wardrobe, into some sort of storage. So this is where we're at. I've had a huge I've had a huge clear out. So over here, my jumpers are now organised by colours. We've got our blues, colours, blacks and whites, and some pyjamas which need to be returned to their owner. In my sock drawer we now keep pyjamas to make some space in here. Look how empty. This is where I really live. Ow! Ow! So this is where I really live, in the middle of the countryside.
Move
Your
over here a
fingers
little
in front of the camera.
Steady on. You look like a city girl in the country then. In fact, you do look like a city girl because you got your handbag.
That's me!
Forgotten where you lived, ain't you, hey?
Yeah.
Beautiful. These are the woods we used to go around when Ellie was a little girl.
Yeah.
We used to spend hours rummaging through those bloody woods there. And all round, as far as you can see in the distance, as far as Ellie's pointing, we used to walk on Saturdays and Sundays, and at 6 o'clock in the morning with our pup. And we used to walk all the way round.
That was my March vlog. It's literally been
the craziest month. I had so much fun when I was at uni, you know, on the boat and doing everything I did. It was so much fun. I had the best time. But also it's been so crazy, what with coming home and having to bring all my stuff home from uni and discovering TikTok. Also, I'm having so much more time, and it's literally, it's just so weird. I've had ups, I've had real lows, but I'm kind of settling back into my routine. I'm hoping to be bringing you loads of really cool content while I'm at home. It's literally the only thing I have to do, so look out for that, because I really want to give everything I can to you during this time. Make sure to keep watching me, because I really value your support. It's the only way I can keep this channel running. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Good.